Yan po si Jack. Punta kami sa kanyang graduation sa Centennial.
En la foto se ve amarillo y no verde.
Video yan. Video.
Please welcome Associate Vice President, Enrollment Services and Registrar, Lisa White, to present the graduates.
Exactly. And yet, despite all the late nights and the early mornings, the copious amounts of caffeine, the timmies, and the pep talks from those closest to you, you have made it. You're finally crossing the finish line, surrounded by your classmates, by your faculty and your advisors, your counsellors, librarians, and other colleagues, and not to forget, an impassioned group of family and friends and loved ones. So I want to hear a great big cheer from all of those in the guest rows, all of those in the faculty rows, and all on stage to give our graduates a great big round of applause. Well done. I take my hat off to you. Well done. That, Centennial graduates, is your #1 fan base right there. Oh, that's nice. Very good. Now, come on, guys. Ooh, very good. Another bit of a jump. Here we go. Right, let's see. And the guests as well. All the family, come on. Super. Come on, guys. Here. Look at this. There we are. Last but not least, let's go down here. Here we go, right hand. There we are. Oh, that was a bit quick. Good, I got you in. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you for indulging me and allowing me to catch the breath. No, in all honesty, thank you for indulging me and allowing me to capture our very special moment together. As I'm
I'll go here.
Jazzy May Mercado General. Arpanjit Kaur. Amandeep Kaur. Mary Crystal N. Gutierrez. Drashti Shailesh Kumar Limbachia. Himel Joy Fontilaga Gascon. With honors, Shivam Shardul Gandhi.
Lloyd Kevin Sosa Dorada.
Timothy Hanna. With high honors, Angelica May Balain Hebron.
It has been an honor to host your convocation ceremony today. On behalf of the entire Centennial College community, I offer heartfelt congratulations on your significant achievement. Best wishes for your future success.
Wait lang, wait lang. Ay, dito? Dito daw pa.
Ay, huwag naman. Pinapakitaan kami ng ito nang i-produce yung muna hinagam sa pagkain.
Hoy, bakit walang flower? Si Moy.
Hello po! Bless po!
Hello. Hi po. Andito po tayo sa Centennial College sa may Progress and Marka.
Opo.
Sundan niyo ako. Course ni Jam ay
Biotechnology.
Advanced Biotechnology. So, nag-start ang ceremonias ng 9:30,
10:30. 11:30.
11:30 na po. So, si Jam ngayon nakatira sa Brampton kasi nandun yung full-time job niya. Mamaya tingnan natin kung makakaroon tayo ng chance na makausap yung graduate. Peace!
Hi guys! Kumusta? So, I just came from the party and ano oras na ba? 9:10. Nagluluto sana ako ng afritada. Yun yung baon for the whole week. Kaso lang, medyo late na. So, tomorrow na lang. Since Sunday naman. Rest day. So, ayun. Gawa lang ako ng video. Kasi sabi naman, gawa daw ako ng video kung paano ako nakarating dito sa Canada. And, short story lang about sa akin. Natatawa ako kasi hindi ako sanay nakausap yung sarili ko. So, ayun. Kwento ko lang. So, nag-apply ako dito sa Canada as student visa through agency year April 2022. And then, na-approve ako like, naghintay ako ng 5 months. Medyo matagal yung waiting time ko kasi dahil sa medical ko. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari sa medical ko. Pero yung medical na lang talaga yung inaantay para ma-approve ako. So, and then, September 2022, na-approve na ako. And then, dapat kasi yung intake ko is fall 2022. Yeah. And then, since nga na-delay ako, kasi matagal yung waiting time, nag-defer ako into winter 2023. Which is, medyo ang kinagandahan lang. Wala na akong bakasyon ng 4 months. Like, parang kinompress yung subjects ko. So, yung program ko pala dito sa Canada is Advanced Biotechnology Fast Track. Meaning, parang kinompress yung terms ko, kaya mas mabilis. Instead of 2 years program yon, lumilitaw na parang 1 year lang ako nag-study kasi nga fast track. So, parang compress siya. And then, yung kinagandahan nung nag-defer ako, wala na akong bakasyon na 4 months. Parang tuloy-tuloy lang yung studies ko. And, ayun, nag-graduate ako last June 12, 2024. Few days ago lang. And then, naka-ano na ako ngayon. Ongoing na yung post-grad work permit ko. Nag-apply ako ng post-grad work permit like April, I think last week of April. And then, na-approve ako like for a month lang. Ganun lang siya kabilis. Kasi, ewan ko, since siguro wala naman akong dependence dito, kaya ganun lang siya kabilis. So, ayun, nag-work ako ngayon as full-time. And then, 1 year. Kailangan ko lang makakuha ng 1 year Canadian experience kasi yun yung gagawin kong parang pathway sa pag-apply ko ng permanent residency ko dito. Hopefully by next year, ma-approve. Sana, ganun. Ayun, yung buhay dito sa Canada, ganun. Kung student ka, kailangan mong mag-work. Kasi, para meron kang income, ganun. Kahit part-time lang, okay lang yan. As long as, syempre, kung sa work mo, kailangan binibigyan ka pa rin ng hours. Kasi naman sa may part-time ka, pero wala kang hours. So, parang wala ka din income. Kasi medyo malaki yung gastos dito. Lalo na, laging monthly bills yan. Kasi puro credit card gamit dito. Ganun. And then, ayun, if you do have any questions, message nyo lang si Mol. Siya na yung bahalang re-relay sa akin. Sasagutin natin yan kapag meron kayong questions. Ayun lang. Bye!
Wow. Sikat. Ito si Kero. Hindi niya birthday.
Tingin mo.
Andito kami sa Reminis. Kain kami ng haluhan. Haluhan. Happy birthday. Dilibre ko ni Kere. Kasi mayaman ito.
Mayaman sa utang.
Mayaman. Mayaman. Dilibre rin nila ako ng short sa Costco. Senior citizen.
Welcome to Canada.
Kaya, kapupod ko, oh. Pag ganyan matatanda, blanda mo. Alam nyo, mistisa ako. Hindi ko alam bakit yung mga pamangkin ko hindi mistisa ako.
mestiza. Puti